to na married people. You be man, they marry woman. Hey, I won't tell you something. To marry now, no dey easy. Build your wife trust. Marriage, no dey easy now. Now me I dey tell you. You be woman, you see man will marry you. Build your trust. This message, he dey go to husband and wife. That is couples. E no dey easy. Make two people wey come from different area, they go come match together. Before you marry somebody, know say marriage na Bible. And this Bible from Genesis to Revelation, when you dey open am, you no go dictate where we go open. You fit open say, if I marry now, I go begin the suffer. Aha! You feel say that if I marry now, I go dey enjoy. Everybody they wish himself say he go get. But wetin I dey tell you say, have skill, get something doing, so that when you read there, if you get as e be, you go see wetin you go dey do. Na love at that they tell you. If you no get ngabase, when you reach there, you no go see it. They faithful oh. Make you no use your hands for your marriage. If you use your hands for your marriage, now you go suffer am. If I use my hands suffer my marriage, now me go suffer am. Now me I dey tell you. I know they take my marriage play oh. Hey, oh your family, they mold man. Fana akpunwoke, aburugo na akpunwoke. Ema na nwoke adirizi. All these women where they shako. Immediate woman, you know they ask yourself question. The time when you never marry, people no go. They no go come say they won't marry you. Immediately when you don't marry, finish. Husband, they go say, come out. They go say you look sexy. You look this one. You look that one. You look take away. See as I did now. Some people they say for my village, village people. They don't say they be village people. Say you fine. You even fine now. Pass when they grow. I say, hey, you fine. So that time why no fine. He leave me oh. Now why I won't fine. He go say, hey, I miss. Ne I fine. If I find, if you miss, better miss am. Because me, I gather sense. Now, so he there for man. Yes, man, immediately when you go marry, the time when you did the suffer with your wife, nobody go answer you. You don't marry. Anytime waste more money. You know they check why husband and wife they get problem. Immediately money don't come. Woman go follow you, papa. All those ones. Nah. New Day's her wife. No go marry New Day's wife. Oh. No leave your wife. The mother of your children. Because if you leave her, now you go suffer. Now man they suffer. When man marry two wives, now the same man we marry two wives, now they suffer. And most men know they know. You don't marry children, grow children, reach 15 years. You go back, go start to the born children where they 1 year, carry belly again. Hey! Why man they like this kind suffer? Man are they cry for you. Woman are they cry for you. Go say, hey, you go carry belly again. That's why I say make I come talk to una today. Because nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Maka na ife dị ọkụ ga-ajụ oyi. Onye nwere ndidi na-eri azụ ukpo. Ife nwere dị ọkụ ga-ajụ oyi. Onye nwere ndidi ga-eri azụ ukpo. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-ata afụfụ. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-ata afụfụ. Hey, marakwa ngwakwa gị na ị ga-adịrị gị mma o. Ife dị ọkụ ga-ajụ oyi. Hey, ife dị ọkụ ga-ajụ oyi. Ka ngwakwa gị na ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma. It is going to be well with you.